Even then, kind of attack ka ng anak. Next one, so you will apply the EQ technique. What will you do in this situation, and you will apply the EQ technique? So first is to stay away from the knife. Stay away from the knife. So you can skip by doing this. Kung saan ako pag-apply ng EQ? This one. First is you have to execute some motion para malikay ka sa knife. Kung saan ka niya sa paglikay? So this one. Pero imo na siyang duganon. Kay masaman man imong neck. May this. Diba? How? It's just doing this. Just doing this. Then, EQ. Again. This is only an illustration on how EQ is very effective in this situation. Ano siya? In real situation, maybe bakat mo gamay or something. Ang importante niya is to save your life and to pin down the opponent, not to kill the opponent. There are other martial arts na you will do this and this. Okay? You will do this and this. In Aikido, we will pin down the opponent. No? Okay. Stay away from the knife and do the EQ. Or the Ikiura. How about the Tsuke? Okay. Skipping the attack. So tayo huminto na siya. With some escape, then EQ. How about this one? But how I apply the EQ? This is not blocking. I will go to redirect the. Next, how about the armis? For any pamunal situation nga, mukulit ang punta ko sa itong pamunal. So, EQ niya po. So that attack is called Shominotsu. Shominotsu. We have Yokominotsu. Side slice. Kana siya Shominotsu. Okay? Shominotsu, Yokominotsu. But this one is the Shumen. Okay. We can do this or we can do this. Tinumdum mo ali na movement? Ikiundo. Very important siya. Kaya ano, you can apply this. Ikiundo. Okay. Then, kinesiya is okay. Diba kung naka-territory ka sa tunggol, diba kay elbow to forehead. So, ari ta magunit, then here. Then we will make a circulation, either ura. Okay? Or omote. Akong body weight, akong i-atag niya. Awa. So, what is siya resistance for that? Kaya ang iyang kontra, ang imong body weight. You can still apply the EQ in gun disarming. Always stay away from the opponent's point. Siyempre, kung buto na siya, asa mabato. Okay? There are many techniques to the disarming of the gun. By this one is the EQ. How? Simply doing this. Stay away from the point sa nozzle. This is called nozzle. Kasi kung bubutol siya, padungin siya dito. But in very split seconds. What will you do? So, syempre, you have to do the ateme. This is called ateme or strike. Mawag ang focus sa opponent mo, opponent's balance. You will do the ateme in advance. Then, EQ. Ateme. You will have the ateme. Okay? That's called kick. This is liver. Okay? This is called kick. If paiko na siya, ang hitable niya. Then, EQ. In EQ, pinning down. Okay? This is front kick, then pinning down.